Hi, in this video we are going to see how secure IBM's Fabric blockchain platform is. I have VS Code opened and I have installed IBM's blockchain extension for VS Code. So I'll begin by clicking on the extension and creating a new smart contract, which can be done by creating a new project. I will choose TypeScript for my language. And I'm going to create a new folder, give it name of test, click on create, save, add to workspace. This is going to generate a sample smart contract for me, which I will use for demonstration. You can see a progress bar over here while it's doing the work behind the scenes. It looks like it's done. It says it successfully generated smart contract project. Next, we are going to package this smart contract by clicking on package open project. And we see a package over here. The next step is to create a test network and install and instantiate the smart contract on that. So we'll do that by clicking on local fabric. This will create a test network for us, consisting of just one orderer node and one peer node, which is not something you would use in production, but it's sufficient for what we want to demonstrate in this video. So it says connected to local fabric. I'm not going to install the smart contract. And next I'm going to instantiate it. The instantiation of the smart contract will take some time because Fabric has to provision a new Docker container, copy the source code to that new container, install all the node dependencies, and then it has to build the source code and then run it in that new container. So we'll give it some time for it to finish. Looks like it's done now. And if I open a terminal window, I can see the Docker containers I have, and I do see a chain code container here, which is good. We can also show the logs of the peer container. We'll do that over here. Now we are ready to submit transactions to this network, so let's do that. Click on IBM blockchain platform submit transaction, local fabric. Let's create an asset, and an asset is nothing but two strings, a ID and a value. So I'll say, let's say John, and give him $100. So it does say success. Let's go ahead and create a few more transactions. Let's give 200 to Tim. And let's give 300 to Alice. Now I can open up Chrome and I can go to this URL where I can see the values of the records that I have created. So I see a my channel test. If I click on it, and if I click on table, I can see the records that I had created. This is a Couch DB viewer. Now I want to show you something interesting, which is this. Let's click on one of these records and change the value to 200. Click on Save Changes. Now I go back to Fabric and I click on Submit Transaction Test, read my asset, and I say John, enter, and the value is 200. So the change that I made in Couch TV ended up changing the underlying blockchain ledger. Isn't that good? Let me even stop this thing and now see, there is no container running, and I'm going to restart the network. And now I'm going to try again. Again, the value is 200. So it seems that the change was permanent. And if you think about it, I'm really not sure how does it even work. Typically, Fabric transactions are signed by a user. The Couch TV doesn't even know my X509 certificate, so I don't know how it's signing the transaction, under what credentials. But that's what we wanted to show in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.